Okay, if you on the search for a rental home in Union City, you definitely want to check this out. This builder is renting out the houses that they're building, brand new houses, 3 to 4 bedrooms, and the rent goes from $2,300 to $2,900. Now, what that means is, I don't know if they're going to possibly rent to own these or not, but they're giving a move-in special on them. I don't know if they can sell them all, but this is an opportunity to jump in, because when I do the search for you, I'm using a 550 credit score, because I know that some of my clients had a little challenge with their score. But this is a huge find if you're looking for a single family home to rent in Union City. And it's different styles. As you look at this video, you see we got the ranch styles, we got the 2 levels. So it's something in this for anybody. If you don't like climbing stairs, they got the ranch house for you. But these are brand new houses, fenced in yards. And I'm telling you, this right here is like some of these houses I know that the mortgage possibly would be around the same as what that rent is. So this will be a good way to get in the door on getting your new house. Now, you want to call that number and you can get a preview and we can walk you through the process. Like I said, right now, I just found this deal because I know they're giving 6 weeks free. So that means like a month and a half. So that's almost like $4,000 savings on the move-in for these single family houses in Union City, and these are brand new. I don't know if this is going to be a new trend or something, but this is the first time I found one. And like I said, you know, the minimum score to get one of these properties is a 550. So stay tuned and hey, follow me. Every time I find a deal, I'm going to post it up. But this one is in Union City, 3 to 4 bedrooms, from $2,300 all the way up to $2,900. So lock me in.